Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In today's video, we will explore the new features in TaxTron Web. Let's have a brief overview of these enhancements. The latest version of TaxTron Web has been enhanced with a diverse range of new features, including color coding, file attachment, print formats, images integration, and domain verification. Please note that in this video, we will be covering the first two topics. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll delve into the remaining features. Let's start with color coding. A new color coding feature helps users to differentiate between three types of values. Manually inputted values by user are displayed in white. Carried forward values from previous year, like your home address, appear in green. Autofill values from CRA shown in yellow. This feature provides a clear visual representation of the source of the data, improving the user experience, reducing data entry errors and streamlining the tax preparation process. In the next section, we will discuss the second feature, which is the file attachment feature. You can now easily upload and store a variety of file types, such as text, images, PDFs, and spreadsheets, in dedicated folders created for each individual client. Now, it is time to explore this feature practically. Start by logging into your TaxTron Web account. Create a new return or open an existing one to upload a file. Navigate to Attachments on the bottom left side of the navigation panel. On the following screen, you will find option to Add. Click on that. On the next windows you will have the option to select the individual you want to upload a file for, either the taxpayer or spouse, if applicable. And then click on Choose Files. Pick the file you wish to attach. You also have the option to rename the file if needed. Then hit Add. You can upload a maximum of 10 files at a time. After selecting the files, choose this button to upload all the files. Once uploaded, you can access these files using the color-coded taxpayer or spouse field. You have the ability to download or delete files whenever you need it. All the contents of the client file folder are easily accessible from the main screen, organized by the corresponding tax year. These attachments cannot be roll-forwarded. That concludes our overview of the color coding and file attachment feature. Stay tuned for next features. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.